Wanna know how long does Airbnb take to refund? Well, let me help you or guide you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you or explain you on how long and how can you refund or how can you ask for refund on Airbnb. Now, if you're eligible for a refund, Airbnb will send you refund as soon as you cancel to the payment method you used when you booked the reservation. Your bank or credit card issuer may take longer to get it to you. It all depends on how you paid and where you live. Now, while they are issued almost immediately, most refunds arrive within 10 days, but for some payment methods and reasons, it might take longer. They'll automatically send an eligible refund to the payment method you use when you book the reservation. So it normally is issued, you'll generally get the refund immediately, but for some it might take 10 days or more. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if they have any further issues.